Hey there! So we got a mystery machine from Wetnwild and Scooby-Doo collection. Yes, I got this in the PR box, and this is kind of neat. So I'm gonna be reviewing everything inside of it and using it on my face. And yes, it just dropped on the floor. If you don't know me, I'm Elaina. On Painted as Raven Season 2 on Wow Presents Plus, available right now. And you can on my channel you can find all kind of drag looks, makeup looks, colorful looks, rainbow and celebrity impersonation, all kind of things. Check it out later. And in this video we're gonna be doing the reviews of Wetnwild and Scooby-Doo collection, obviously. If you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on social media. Everything is in the description box. So let's get right into it. So thank you Wetnwild for sending me the PR. It's gifted, it's PR, just get that out of the way. I've been receiving Wetnwild PR for a few months, and I usually receive every few months, like when the collection drops, like Wetnwild X, Peanuts X, this and that, Lilo and Stitch. You know, I got all these things, and you got... I already showed this in the beginning, but this thing even has handles, so you can have like a makeup bag. I mean, obviously it's a cardboard box, but you know, it has wheels, it has the front, it has Scooby-Doo Wetnwild, it has the mystery machine because you don't know what's inside, right? And they have open here for stupid people like me. So there you go. So I'm gonna show you everything. You saw some of it in the end. And the packaging is cute. Everything is this transparent Scooby-Doo package, and that's what's for the brushes, like, you know, stuff like that. So I'm gonna tell you what the box goes for, and then we're gonna go to swatches. I swatched the palette for you guys so you can see how it works, because I'm really impressed with the actual palette. So the whole collection, if you purchase it in this box, is $79.99. That's with the PR box. I think it's worth it because they all add up pretty much, those items. Oh yeah, I have a makeup bag as well. Almost forgot. This is actually the coolest thing. I like this the most because it's actually functional and it's useful for the travel, or for, I don't know. It's pretty good size. I mean, it's not like the biggest. I'll probably need someone else if I travel, but it's cute. It is cute. I like it. So this makeup bag is actually $16.99. And then you got Scooby-Doo glow-in-the-dark sponge. Oh yeah, it glows in the dark. I don't know why it would glow in the dark. Like, why? What are you doing here? Like, why would I have it? I would lose it in my makeup room, and then I'm gonna go looking for it, and it's gonna be glowing in the dark. But it glows, I guess. So this is $7.99, and it's huge. It's too big for my taste, but some people like this kind of thing. But the quality is great. I love the sponge. And then we got a glow-in-the-dark 3-brush set. So the brushes glow-in-the-dark. I haven't tested anything glow-in-the-dark yet, but I just take their word for it. I just put them under my makeup table. I kind of can see a little glow. It's like a lazy attempt to test it. So there they are. The brushes are $12.99 as well. Then we got the mirror. A very, very, very crooked mirror. I mean, everything is crooked in there. I noticed that about Wetnwild. I don't know if it's on purpose to make it funny or something. But every time I get PR from them, the mirror is real crooked. But this cute, it's cute. All right, it's cute. This mirror comes with a keychain as well, which is real cute as well. I have a cat mama keychain. I know it's off the topic, but that was my favorite, so nothing is gonna replace my cat mama. So this is together, it's $12.99. And the palette is the star of this shit show. I'm just kidding. The palette is $12.99. That's actually real cool. It's nice, it's good quality. And then they have a few other things. They have like a glitter palette that they didn't receive for $12.99. And they have a UV Glow face and body crayon set for $12.99. And you'll see the swatches at the end. I swatched them. I would imagine, like, it didn't go with my makeup look, so I didn't use it, but I would imagine for like face paint, maybe use it as accents, could be useful for that. And then we got the old school swag liquid eyeliner, and that one, maybe the blue one is better, but the one I received, the green one, it's $7.99. Oh, that's not it, excuse me. This one. This one is, I already swatched it, but there, you can see it again. I mean, you can see it on my arm, but you can't, like on the makeup, you just won't see it. It disappears. It's kind of meh. That was not my favorite. That's $7.99. And we got, they also have cream blush. And there are two colors. And actually, the one that I didn't get would be great with my makeup look. That's like orange. I got the pink one. Talk to the paw. I love that. Talk to the paw. My cats do it to me sometimes, like, talk to the paw. Don't you love when they do that? So here, the paw. It's a cute idea. It's not very pigmented. It's alright. $7.99. Maybe the orange one is better, but there you go. And they got the lip balm. It seems like it comes in two colors as well. Seems like they're all kind of dark, like a brownish, reddish. I got this one. It is very pigmented. It does work real well. There you go. It's very, very creamy, so I don't like the products that's too creamy, but it is pigmented though. It works. So that one's $7.99 if I didn't say, and I got Mystery Slime Lip Mask, which I already used before. I didn't show you, but I did use it, and I did like it. It's very hydrating, feels great on the lips. It smells very strongly of chemical watermelon, like I said later. But if you're not into like scented things, especially on your lips, you're not gonna like it. But I like strong scents and I actually liked it. So it's $7.99. And they have nail polish set as well, which I didn't get. And that's it, I think, right? Yeah, that's it. So you'll see me swatch in the next little clip the eyeshadow palette, and you'll see it's short, very short voiceover. Gonna do the sunsetty look. And my final thoughts. So these are the swatches, and Shane is sniffing me at the moment. He knows something's up. Smelly, smelly makeup. Anyway, swatches pretty nicely actually. I wish this black was more of a matte, but it's like a satin. There is a gray, but yeah, it's not bad. There is depth. You know, the gray has depth. The green, this bright, bright color in the middle. It's like a burgundy type of thing. It's beautiful. Some of the shimmers are not really shimmery. They're more like a satins. And some of them are real good. The duochrome, like a green, or is it blue to brown? I don't really like to brown, anything to brown. If it's a duochrome, there shouldn't be a brown, in my opinion. But anyway, so this is it. That's a whole palette. So this is the palette. We're starting with a satin matte kind of black. It works really well actually. It looks almost matte, but it has a little shine in it, so I'm going to set it with a matte grayish bluish color. It looks almost pitch black together with the other one. Blending the edges so we can create a sunsetty look. That's what I decided to go with because I like the bright pink and orange, so it kind of goes. I love this tone. This is my favorite. It's like a deep fuchsia pink. So pretty. I love this color. Very pigmented, as you can see. I use the Beauty Bay white base as a base. Orange is real orange. Very nice. Nothing to complain about. Just wish black was real matte black. As always. Yellow at the end. Yellow is more like a muted mustard. And I'm applying blue and silver for the sunsetty blue, like the water part in the middle. And now we're using the huge sponge. It's huge. It's already been dampened, so it works. It's a little too large. And the blush is pink. You can see the paw print. Here's a little swatch. The color is wrong and it's not like overly pigmented. Using that large brush to set my face with the powder, so I can try at least one of the brushes. So this is the finished look. I did the voiceover as usual. I've been liking those voiceovers. It gives me time to think and play instead of talking to the camera and not knowing what to do next. But there you go, the sunsetty look. I haven't done this in a while. I mean, it's very basic, you know, very basic halo Sansa dye, put some gems in there, put a little bit of kimchi glitter in the middle, but most of it is affordable drugstore makeup. I used a lot of Wet n Wild. I used Wet n Wild foundation and concealer, and the eyeliner. That eyeliner is the bomb. I still use it all the time. Like if I could buy 10 more of them, I would. This is from Peanuts collection actually, and it's matte and it goes on over anything, and it's black. It's like one of the best. They really hit the mark with this one. Well, some of the things here I didn't use because it just didn't go with the look. So let me zoom you out since you already saw all of this. So let me go through items that I did not use. So I didn't use the neon pencils, whatever we call them. They would be good, I would imagine, for like a face paint look. I did not swatch them so you can guys see. They're pretty pigmented, considering that they're just like pens. They're real neat. I haven't tested them if they really glow in the dark, but let's say I would take their word for it. And the pink one is really bright and pigmented. I would imagine you can make it like a base before, like under eyeshadow, but I don't know. To me, it's just kind of a hustle. I just make one base and put everything over it and it's still bright. So I guess face paint, maybe, in the future. So this is pretty cool. And I did not use the lip pencil, lip balm stain. Actually, it's very pigmented. I'm very impressed. And it's a pretty color, but kind of too dark, and I already have so much darkness in the eyes. I just made a neutral lip, but it's nice. It's a little like a wet, you know. It kind of have a feeling it's gonna go over the lines, but that's the only thing. What I did not like is the eyeliner, and this is shimmer liquid eyeliner, and it's green. I mean, I don't know. It kind of like, it's there, so it shows up on your arm when you just watch it, right? I don't know if you can see it, but it is green. You can see a little something, very subtle shimmer. But when you try to go with the makeup, like I wanted to line the crease, you can't see it really. It's only for maybe like the daytime look, if you want to go out or you go about your day and just do that and don't have any other makeup on like mascara, like something basic, because otherwise it just won't show. I'm just being honest. And this is the blush. It's a cute concept. It has a little sticker, Scooby-Doo sticker, and yeah, but the color's pretty. Again, didn't go with the makeup look. It's kind of my own fault. I picked this like a warm tone out here, so I wanted to do orange blush, so I used the eyeshadow. Actually, I used the orange and the yellow eyeshadows, and actually that worked. But this is cute. It has a little paw print, and you already saw me doing that. It's kind of like not very pigmented, but you know, you can build it up. Yeah, so it's a cute idea. I like the lip mask, I think. That's pretty cool. I don't know if you want to see it, but it's like, you know, glistening. Smells kind of pleasant. I mean, it's like a fake, but pleasant. So that's the pencils. Then you have, of course, this little keychain and the mirror. The mirror seems to be magnifying, and seems to be, it's not very even. When you look this way, it's like everything is long. When you go this way, everything is like wide. It's very crooked. I'm not like even kidding you. It's kind of weird. It's strange. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. But it's a mirror. It's a collectible item, so there's that. The packaging is always cute, you know. All that, so, and I'll give it to them. And again, this is a collectible, you know, the whole truck that you saw in the beginning of this video, you know, that's a whole thing, you know. It's their thing to do collections like that. So if people are collectors, they're gonna just run and buy it. The brushes are right. I mean, I can't say anything nice about them. I really don't like some Wet n Wild brushes. I've seen some Wet n Wild brushes that I actually had before. They're actually fine. But this, for some reason, from collections, I mean, they are synthetic, right? But there is synthetic and there is synthetic. And the kind of, I don't know, kind of like too synthetic, like a glossy, shiny, like plastic. So I don't know, they don't really work that well, so I'm not into them. But it was a nice thought, they have Scooby-Doo on them, so there's that. And then we have, what else? Oh yeah, the sponge. The sponge is actually nice, blends real well. And I mean, it's already dirty, but look at the size. Even in the video I've shown it, it's huge. I don't think I ever had any sponges that large. I mean, the idea that you can go over the big area right away, it's cute, but it's hard to like go to small places, like a small corners of the face. So to me, it's just a little too large. I would take half of this size, it'll be fine. But it's a nice sponge. I like their sponges actually. Wet n Wild sponges, they're always good quality. The quality is good. So that's that. And the best part actually is the palette, the eyeshadow palette in this collection. I really actually enjoyed it. At first I was like, it's not that pigmented. It is pigmented. It is pigmented. All of this black is like a satin. It's not even a shimmer. I wouldn't call it a shimmer. It's like a something between the matte and the shimmer. And actually I did use it, as you saw it. And I set it with this one, which is kind of like dark blue, blackish blue. And it gave you a matte black look. So that's not bad. So I actually liked it. The shimmers are putty-like, but they're very, very shimmery. Like when I was doing swatches, I said they might not be too shimmery, but once I started to use them, they're actually very, very shimmery. So I like this one. This one is great at the highlight, and this one is on highlight. I mean, they're very, very, very nice. They all stand out, except for like the duochrome is kind of, I don't know. I'm not into the brown duochromes, but everything about it. And it's only $12.99 if it's sold individually. So you can make inexpensive makeup, good quality. Rimmel London. I just did Rimmel video and I pooped all over the eyeshadow. So you see, this is the proof. Inexpensive brand, and it's a collection item. It's $12.99 and it's great quality. So there you go. So this is it. That's my review. Let me know what you guys think. Have you picked it up? If you're a collector, if you're a fan of Wetnwild and Scooby-Doo, and if you like those kind of things, you probably already picked it up. I mean, just the box itself. It's pretty neat, right? That was kind of cute. It's very useless. It's gonna go to the recycling bin, but it is very cute. It does look like a little, what is it, van? Like 70s? Is it 70s? Yeah, I think it's 70s. So, there you go. So leave me a comment, like this video if you enjoyed it, and do subscribe to my channel. Ring notification bell so you get notified of all new videos I upload. And if you like, you can follow me on social media. All the links are down in the description box. So thank you all for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!